Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going about how to fix Bank Muscat cannot log in. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings and switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. If the issue still persists, simply head over to your recent apps, close all apps including the Bank Muscat app and reopen it on your device. If that too does not work, simply head over to your quick settings and then head over to settings on your device. Once you're here, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on all apps. In the search bar, simply search for the Muscat app. Tap on it, hit storage and cache, clear the cache of your Muscat app. If the issue still persists, simply head over to Play Store on your device, head over to the search bar, and then search for the Bank Muscat app inside of your search bar. Once you find the Bank Muscat app, it's simply update it to the latest version. If the issue still persists, head over to your app drawer, search for the Bank Muscat app in the search bar, long press on it, hit uninstall, and reinstall it from the Play Store. If the issue still persists, you can try logging into the web browser, and if that too does not work, then you may have to contact the bank or wait it out, as it may be a server-side issue. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.